Good morning, student. Welcome to Department of Zoology, Sri Mulika Devi Mahavidyalaya Nigos, Taluka Parne, District Ahmednagar. In last video lecture series, we was learn the life cycle and stages of life cycle, then external morphology of silkworm larva. In life cycle, we was learn the life cycle of Bombyx mori is complete type of metamorphosis, or it show all the life cycle stages. In that first one, that is eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. We are take all the information related to the life cycle of Bombyx mori. After the study of life cycle of Bombyx mori, we are known they are required the primary and very necessary raw material called as mulberry plant leaves. So today we are start next chapter named as cultivation of mulberry plants, because without mulberry leaves it is not possible to complete the mulberry sericulture. So let us start the cultivation of mulberry plants. It is actually agricultural division. In last lecture we are studying the sericulture is mainly divided into three most important division. That is, first one, agricultural division. Second one, that is rearing and culturing of silk moth. And third one, that is marketing of silk. These are the three important division of sericulture. So if you are interested to start the sericulture in your farm, it is necessary to start the cultivation of mulberry plants in your farm, because without mulberry leaves, mulberry sericulture is not possible. So what is the agricultural division? They are show three divisions. So first one, agricultural division, it is cultivation of mulberry plant or growing of mulberry plants. In that, the first sentence, that is, this include the cultivation of host plant. We are already decided we are interested to start the mulberry sericulture. So it will be called as host plant. Mulberry plant is called as host plant. The larval stage of silk moth feed on this plant. During the larval stage or larva of mulberry silk moth is voracious feeder of mulberry plant. So they require a large number of mulberry leaves as a food material. Next one, that is cultivation and harvesting of mulberry is called as moriculture. This is very important definition for you to keep in your mind as a in your exam purpose. In your exam, they are generally asked define the moriculture or what is the moriculture. So क्या है ये moriculture? Moriculture is a cultivation and harvesting of mulberry plant is called as moriculture. यावरती एक किंवा दोन मार्काला डेफिनेशन कायम विचारली जाते, त्यामुळे याच्यावरती थोडंसं लक्ष केंद्रित करा किंवा ही मेमराइज करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. दिस इज द बिगिनिंग स्टेप ऑफ सेरिकल्चर. Mulberry sericulture is begin with the cultivation of mulberry plants. समझ में आ रहा? So let us start the cultivation of mulberry plants. It is agricultural process to start the cultivation of mulberry plant. That is called as moriculture. Mulberry silkworm is a Stephanophagus, narrow range of host plant. Stephanophagus means narrow range, खूप कमी आहे. They are generally host plant dependent. Means this silkworm, this insect is show very narrow range of host plant for the feeds or as a food material. Feeds on mulberry plants. Genus is Morus. कोणत्या जीनसचा आपल्याला स्टडी करायचं किंवा कल्टिवेशन करायचं? मोरस जीनसचा कल्टिवेशन करायचं. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन. More than 20 species of mulberry plant. Out of these, 4 are very common in India. That is Morus alba, Morus indica, Morus seriata, Morus latifolia. These are the common species of mulberry plant generally found in our country, and it is very good and easily survivable in our environmental condition. समझ में आ रहा? Particularly, we are focused on Morus alba and Morus indica. These two species is very good in plant production and they are show very good pest or disease resistance. So it is more beneficial to particular farmer or sericulturist. If in some time, if you have some problem regarding the mulberry plants, the alternative plants are also shown by the your silkworm, or they are also filled saag plant, orange plant, and people plant. But you know, mulberry plant is very rich in protein and starch. If you are provided such type of the food material to your larva, they are show a fast body growth and development. But sometime in wild range, they are also survival on saag, orange, and people plants leaves also. क्या चाहिए अभी? Next one, that is very important for the as a cultivation of mulberry plant in your agricultural farm, that is climatic condition. You know, before the starting the cultivation of any plants, it is necessary to study their habit, to study their basic requirement. In that, climatic condition is also very important for the any development or any growth of plant. They are required proper and optimum climatic condition. In that, first one, temperate to tropical region, they require 15 to 37 degrees centigrade temperature. Rainfall range is 600 to 2500 mm in per year. This is the on an average range of temperature and rainfall they are required for the cultivation of mulberry plant or good growth of mulberry plant in your agricultural farm. Mulberry is deep rooted perennial, grow well in loamy soil or red sandy soil. That is it is also grown in murum or some low quality of the soil. But if you are going to the as a commercial level, that time you are provided a dark black soil. They have the ability to holding a large number of water for long period. This soil is very good. But if you are not getting the particular soil, that time this type of the soil is also good for the mulberry cultivation. You can just observe this mulberry plant. मुरमाड सॉइल मध्ये किंवा मुरमाड जमिनीमध्ये देखील येते. आणि बाकीचे रेड सँडी सॉइल जरी असेल किंवा ब्लॅकिश सॉइल असेल, दे आर इझिली ग्रोन इन पर्टिक्युलर सॉइल. Season is a very important task for the farmer. Which season is good for the mulberry cultivation? Generally, you know, rainy season or earlier rainy season is very good for the cultivation of any plant. Such significance or such rank, or it will be also तशाच पद्धतीचं such type of the climatic condition are also required by the mulberry plants. And you know, these are easily cultivated by two methods, that is cutting and root grafting methods. With your suitable requirement of or availability of your plant material, you can choose any one from these and start the cultivation of mulberry plants. Samajhte? Are you understand? Okay. Next one, selection of mulberry plant variety. You know, in modern agricultural field, after the development of new techniques, they are finding or to develop some variety of plants, because these varieties show a highly yield, then large production, then disease resistance, then insect resistance. These are the some basic qualities of seed. So you can select a proper variety of mulberry plant. In that, Kanwa 2, S36, S54, DD, MR2, especially in Tamil Nadu, and V1 variety are recommended for the irrigated condition. Generally, in our Maharashtra, V1 is a very good variety of mulberry plant, is recommended by the Central Silk Board for the irrigated condition. And if you can also observe all over Maharashtra, V1 variety is very good because they are easily grown in our environmental condition. These are the belong to the Morus indica, and it is actually hybrid variety. They are generally developed by the your Central Silk Board. So they are also developed some another species, that is Central Silk Board and Central Silk Board of Mysore and Bangalore. They are developed such varieties of mulberry plant for the farmers. You can select anyone for mulberry cultivation. Next one, S36 belong to the Morus indica, developed at CSRTI in Bangalore, Central Silk Research and Technology Institute. They are developed this plant for chemical mutagenesis and cultivated in generally southern area of India. Moderated rooting ability is also present in S36. Then economic character of this S36 variety of mulberry plant is they are show very fast growing rate, and yielding capacity is about 38 to 45 million tons hectare in per year. These are the very good amount of the your mulberry juice production. So you can choose S36 if you are belong to the southern or south area of India. S54 belong to the Morus indica, also developed by the same institute at Mysore, and they are recommended during the 1984. These are the show some another economic characters, that is yield about the 45 million metric ton per hectare per year, under the irrigated condition. It is also very good variety of mulberry plant. You can also select this one. Last one, that is V1, belong to the Morus indica. It is recently developed from a cross of S30 at CSR and IT Mysore. Very high yielding capacity, moisture content is very high. They are show about 78.9% to they are also on an average 72% in young and mature leaves, respectively. Protein content 24% and total sugar content 16%. These leaves is suitable for both young and tiny silkworm for the very good and fast growth of your mulberry silkworm larva. This is a very good species of mulberry plant. I hope you are understand this all the point. In last two slides, we are observed some basic information regarding cultivation of mulberry plant. Then we are also study the variety of mulberry plant. Then we are also study the climatic condition, rainfall of required for the cultivation of mulberry plant. Next point is very important, that is propagation. Mulberry plant are propagated कशा पद्धतीने त्याची लागवड करतात. How to start the cultivation of mulberry plant? The mulberry plant is propagated through seeds or vegetative method or vegetatively. For example, you can observe these are the photo images. These are the vegetative methods, and these are the seed method. You can cultivate the seeds of mulberry plant in your farm, and then starting the cultivation of your mulberry plants. These are the ready material for the farmers. You can take this hold the plants and start the cultivating in your farms. Planting, you know, mulberry plantation should be cultivated near the rearing house, because you know planting is a very important task for the farmers. Because if you are interested to start the sericulture in your farm, firstly you can develop and construct rearing house in your farm, and this rearing house is useful for the rearing and culturing of your larva. And mulberry plantation should be near the rearing house, because after the cutting of the mulberry plant or mulberry leaves, it will be start the loss of moisture and another nutrients from the mulberry leaves. Then second important aspect regarding near to the your rearing house, that is easy to transport of mulberry leaves from farm to the rearing house. It is again required some human power. So to avoid this technical error, generally you can cultivate your mulberry near the rearing house, so you are easy to for the transporting. And secondly, you are preserved to maintain moisture and water content inside your mulberry leaves, because I was already told you, after the cutting of mulberry plant, it will be start heavily loss of moisture and water. So avoid this one, this problem. You can cultivate your mulberry plant near the rearing house. Samyara. Next one, high yielding variety of mulberry cultivation. की कोणत्या कोणत्या व्हरायटी आहेत किंवा which variety is very good for the in different condition. For example, irrigated condition and non-irrigated condition. If you are interested to start the cultivation of mulberry plant in your farm, firstly you can also focus your basic requirement, that is supply or management of water. So they are divide this point in two parts, that is high yielding variety in sorry, for irrigated condition and non irrigated condition. Okay, let us start the first one, that is irrigated condition. Variety is just 36, then S30, S54, then V1 variety is very good varieties for irrigated condition. These all the varieties of mulberry plant, they show very good result in their growth and loose production. So depending upon your choice, you can select any one variety of mulberry plant for your farm. Next point, that is very important, selection of land. Flat, slightly loamy and sandy soil preferred for the mulberry cultivation. The pH of soil is near about 6.5 to 7. This type of the soil is very good for the mulberry cultivation. So we can focus the soil is show the water holding capacity. If the such blackish soil or good type of the soil is not in your surrounding, that time you are not you are also start the sericulture or mulberry cultivation in sandy soil also. But to also remember, that is very important, the pH of the soil is near about 6.5 to 7 in range. Preparation of land, that is again very important step during the cultivation of mulberry plant. Preparation of land before the monsoon, deep digging and pulling up the depth is 30 to 45 centimeter. यामध्ये काय करायचंय, बिफोर द मान्सून, पाऊस सुरुवात व्हायच्या अगोदर, these are the very important to start the digging, नांगरणी करून घ्यायची up to 30 to 45 centimeter खोल तेवढे गेले पाहिजे, dipped up to 30 to 45 centimeter. Then to check this structure of soil and level of soil, then it will be exposed into the summer in sunlight during the summer season. So this is the earlier steps performed by the farmers for the getting good result. Then FYM, that is farm yield manure. These are the required amount of the manure or fertilizer, biofertilizer म्हणूया, farm yield manures are mixed and start the plot making. आपल्याला त्यांचे प्लॉट्स किंवा त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, वाफे किंवा एक चौकोनी एक वाफेच म्हणतो आपण त्यांना, तयार करून घेणं खूप गरजेचं असतं. लक्षात आले? Planting material, I was already told you, you can select cutting or you can cultivate the mulberry through the seeds or through the vegetatively. So if you are select the planting material, for example cutting material, that time you should be always remember the cutting should be 6 to 8 month old branches. Do not cut the earlier or younger branches of mulberry plant, because these are the not good for the cultivation. या आपल्याला चांगला रिझल्ट देऊ शकत नाही किंवा त्यांची ग्रोथ देखील नाही होत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 10 to 15 mm in diameter किंवा लेंथ generally 20 to 20 centimeter, width about 3 to 4, and healthy birds, that is very important. 3 to 4 birds म्हणजे त्याला आपण म्हणतो कोंब आलेले पाहिजे, जेणेकरून it will be start the growing of new branches from the particular buds. Clean cutting without damage or without any additional human damage to cut it and start the cultivating your mulberry plant in your farms. I hope you are understand. Firstly, to select the काय सांगते, select the proper branches of mulberry plant. It should be 6 to 8 months in old. त्यांचं वय किती पाहिजे, 6 ते 8 महिने पाहिजे त्या पर्टिक्युलर ब्रांचेसचं. Then their diameter is about 10 to 15 mm. After the particular maturation, these diameter are also observed in your branches. Length is about 20 to 22 centimeter and 3 to 4 healthy buds. These are the necessary for the your mulberry cultivation. Then sampling, you know, if you want to start the cultivation of mulberry, it is necessary to start the before the cultivating. It is required proper period for the sampling. Ideal sampling is 4-month old sampling per spot in pit or your or particular pit, or it will be also called as trench for the watering. These are the requirement regarding your planting material. Then next one that is very important, initial care and fertilizers. These are the again very important tasks during the cultivation of mulberry plant. You know, it will be required some initial care or some fertilizers for your good growth and healthy growth of mulberry plants. They are shown after the 2 to 3 months. The first dose or first dose of the fertilizers given by the NPK is 1:120 to 50 to 50 kg in per hectare. हा एक रेशियो दिलेला आहे 120 NPK 120 50-50 kg in per hectare. These are the required fertilizers for the initial stage of mulberry cultivation. Then leaf yield, you know, 35 metric ton leaves will be easily grown in your per hectare area. If your area belong to the plain and regular agricultural field, that time this yield or this plant production will be easily achievable. If your farms is belong to the hilly region, that time due to some climatic condition, your leaves production will be declined up to 25 metric ton in per hectare. These are the leaf yield shown by above varieties of mulberry plant. For example, S30, that is, then S36, then S54, then V1 variety. These are the very good variety for the irrigated condition. I hope you are understand this all the steps in your mulberry cultivation. Next part, that is non-irrigated rainfield condition. This part will be discussed in next lecture. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. I will try to give the answer of your question. Then you can watch all the video related to your syllabus uploaded in YouTube. Thank you very much.